Hey there all, Sinjui here once again with the final Money World Micro for Marvel Week. And here they are again. Venom, Wolverine, Spider-Man, Hulk, Thor, Captain America, and Iron Man. So the last one, who are we missing again? Or are we missing any? There are 8, and I am missing Thor and Spider-Man. Yeah. And once again, these are the DIY sticker money things where you stick stickers on a blank slate. Okay. Here we go. Since this is the last one and we're missing 2, I kind of want Thor because he looks really intriguing. Because it's not like, it doesn't really look like the typical Thor that we, all love with the red cape and everything. Okay, so I'm not gonna look at the stickers, I'm gonna just open this up and see who it is. Oh, it already popped out. Munny. And it's a gray one. That's actually a pretty nice gray. It's all matte and everything. Pretty nice. So let's just check out his stickers. Alright. Here are the face, that little helmet thing, a buckle. Alright. There's not really a lot of funny ones actually in this one. He does have a cape. He has a watch apparently, and he has a medallion, and this one's also, I guess it's kind of like a suit. So, not that funny, but he looks pretty nice, like just originally like that. So, let's just build him up. Hilarious. My lights actually fell when I was making this. You can actually see it. That was funny. Okay, so here we have it. I don't know if I did this really correctly. Oh yeah, I really didn't. Okay, so the mouth isn't supposed to be there. It's supposed to like just have the actual just mustache and the beard all connected together. But I thought it was funny, with the smiling Thor and everything. Pretty funny. Alright. Here it is. He has a nice kind of like a headband helmet thing going on right here. And I forgot to open up this one, which I think, if I'm looking at it correctly, there is no stickers for this time. Yep, no stickers, just Munny, all white. So this actually needs a little bit of paint. Here you go, looking pretty good. Let's see, angle that correctly, and yes, in the front kind of looks like there. Yeah, I'm looking like this. Pretty cool. Alright, let's just put on the funny stuff on him, and we'll be back. That one was a quick one. Not a lot of funny stickers. There were 2 of the neck ones, so I kind of decided on the medallion instead of the popped open like suit type thing with a bow tie. He has the nice watch. And these sunglasses are pretty awesome. It has a lightning bolt on it. Yep, that's basically it. And I forgot to show off the tiny little cape. I'm not really sure if this one's supposed to be funny or not. I think this is supposed to be there. So, yeah. Yep. He isn't really all that funny, you know, like with all the little stickers and everything. But he looks pretty cool. And that's Thor. Cool. Like lightning. Cool. Okay. So, once again, and for the last time, these are the Munny World Micro Do-It-Yourself Superhero. This is Senjui saying bye-bye. Bye-bye.